The first thing you should check is whether someone has secretly added another user account to your computer. Press Windows plus R. Windows Run box will appear. Type netpluis and press Enter. This opens the user accounts window, where you'll see every account that has access to your PC. Take a quick look through the list. You can also match account you are using with the list. If you notice an account you don't recognize or never created, select it and click Remove. An unknown account could mean someone else has access to your computer, so it's worth checking. Next, let's scan your PC using a built-in Microsoft security tool that many people don't even know exists. Press Windows and R again. This time type MRT and press Enter. This launches the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. Click Next, and you'll see 3 scan options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Custom Scan. You can go with Full Scan, but it takes too much time. So for most people, the Quick Scan is the best place to start. Select it, click Next, and let Windows check the most common locations where malware likes to hide. Just let it finish. When the scan finishes, you'll see the results. If nothing suspicious is found, that's great, your PC appears to be clean. If the tool detects any malicious software, Windows will remove it automatically, so you won't have to deal with it yourself. Finally, let's make sure nothing suspicious is launching every time your computer starts. Right-click on Windows Start button and open Task Manager. Here, click on Startup Apps. Here you will see a list of apps that are launching every time your computer starts. Go through the list carefully. If you find an application you don't recognize or don't remember installing, right-click and disable it. Disabling unknown startup apps prevents them from running automatically in the background whenever Windows boots, which helps keep your system safer and can even improve startup performance.